How to install apps without payment method. So what we're gonna do is we will have to open our settings. Here I'm searching for it, and here after clicking on it we can go on, scroll a little bit, and we can click on our Apple ID. Then there we'll get to see that there is media and purchase, and we'll click on view account, and after clicking on it we can simply select our country. Here I am going to click on it, and after clicking on it we can search for our country, and after searching for our country, here I can, you as you can see that I will select the option of change country or region, and now I'll select for my country, and here I'm searching for the country, and here I'll choose for my country, and after that we'll get to see that there's terms and condition, will agree on it, and after that we'll reach in a different page, and here we can see credit card, and there is none as well. So I will simply click on none, so that I don't have to do any payment. So after clicking on none, we'll have to add our all the required information down there, like city, country, contact number, and yeah, and other information. So that is how to install apps without payment method.